Okay, gentlemen, I'm recording the session. Anybody have any problem? Please do let me know.
No,
If
sir.
you have, if
No, sir.
anybody have any problem, they can leave the meeting. ऐसा कोई है? नहीं ना?
No, sir.
Okay, get ready with pen and paper. And Kapil, this time please don't do anything, right? What you did last time. Okay, right? Kapil,
Yes.
okay na? Okay. Okay, guys. So I'll show you picture, right? And you have to observe the picture for the 30 seconds. And later on, you'll get 1 minute to write down the details, age, mood, and gender. And rest 3 minutes you'll get to write down the source. Total, I would say that you'll get 4 minutes 30 seconds, right? In the whole time that you have to write your story, all the things. It depends on you how you manage a particular time. But I'll recommend you to observe picture for 30 seconds carefully, right? After you can finish, listening detailing within 30 seconds, and then it's all up to you, right? But observing picture is very important thing. Okay, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
माइक ऑफ कर लो सर. Okay, gentlemen, please put your pen down. Everyone. अनिकेत, what कैमरा क्यों आपका नहीं दिख रहा यार? क्या फोटो क्यों नहीं आ रहा? हेलो. Chest number 12. आवाज भी नहीं आ रही है आपकी. डिस्कस कैसे करोगे आप?
Just give me 2 minutes.
Guys, can you hear me? Anybody? सूरज, आपको आवाज आ रही है मेरी? अब ठीक है, अनिकेत दिखाई दिया मेरे को. आई एम ऑडिबल? हेलो.
Sir, your voice
Yes,
is
sir.
off.
Sir, sort of break in your voice actually.
हेलो, आई एम ऑडिबल?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now
sir,
you are
better now.
audible.
ओके ओके, एक्चुअली वो किसी और का फोन था तो वो लेके चला गया था, तो शायद आवाज थोड़ा डिस्टेंस आ गया था, डिस्टर्बेंस आ गया था. ठीक है ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys, so start with the chest number 7. Not chest number 7. है कौन? एक सेकेंड. चेस्ट नंबर 1 है? कोई नहीं है ना इधर? रविंद्र चौहान, आप नेम चेंज कर चेस्ट नंबर के हिसाब से.
ओके सर.
कुछ भी डाल दो, ऐसे वोल्टे वोल्टे नंबर डाल रखे लोगों ने, वैसे भी आती नहीं है वीडियो में वो नंबर. चलो ठीक है, स्टार्ट करो. कौन स्टार्ट कर रहा है भाई?
Start.
ओके प्लीज.
Okay, so
Test number 3.
hello everyone. Test number 2.
ओके ओके, प्लीज कैरी ऑन.
Hello everyone. Hello everyone. According to my perception, there are 4 characters. All four are male, and all are in neutral mood. 3 males are of around 30 years, and one male is of around 10 years. So my story is like this. Mohit, with his 2 friends, were very fond of gambling. Along with their gambling, they used to, along with their playing cards, they used to have cigarettes and liquor. So one day they were playing at Mohit's house. They were gambling at Mohit's house. Along with it, they were having their cigarettes and alcohol. Suddenly, Mohit felt that his 10-year-old child is playing nearby him. So he feel very disheartened because his child was seeing him playing cards and having liquor and cigarettes. So he decided to quit his habit. So he talked about this with his 2 friends. After that, both the friends agreed on his point, because for the sake of the future of their friend's child. So now they changed their habit, and in the front of his child, they started playing outdoor games and started reading books. Thank you.
Gentlemen, from the picture shown to us, I have pictured 4 characters. All of them are male, and 3 of them are in between the age group of 20 to 24 years old, and there is one child, and all of them are in positive mood. Rahul, who is a government school teacher in the city of Sonipat in Haryana state, one day he decided to call his friends on his birthday party with their families. So 2 of his friends came to him, meet him on his birthday party, and they enjoyed the day. But soon after reaching the birthday party, one of his friends started smoking cigarette in front of his child. So Rahul decided to stop him, and also he decided that he will make him aware of quitting the smoking in 1 month. He told him about using the nicotine gum so that he can reduce his habit, and he can also make some exercise. He use exercises to reduce his habit. Thank you.
So, gentlemen, I perceive there are four male characters in the picture shown to us, and three of that are around 25 to 30 years age, and one is a child around 8 years. And theme of my story, all of them are in positive mood, and theme of my story is vacation with friends. So Suresh came to holiday, came to a vacation at his home, and he was called upon by his friends for playing some cards, and to which Suresh gone, and thereupon he saw that his friends were playing cards with, and the child named as Akhil was also seeing them. So Suresh restrained that child from seeing playing cards and other smoking, smoking or an intoxicant inhalation. So he restrained the child and told him that they can be addictive in nature, and was able to convince that child. Thank you.
Hello friends, as I have perceived, there are four male characters present and all are in positive moods. Them of three are in 30 to 40 year age and one is 10 to 50 year age. And my story hero is Ramesh. He children 10 to 15 year age. One day he think his father and two are his uncle. They are fond of the smoking and liquors. Then he challenged their father and uncle to how can they leave this smoking and liquor. Then he planned to play a match of cards games in between them four. Then he challenged his father and uncle to I win. Then you left this smoking and liquor. Finally, the Ramesh won the match, and her uncle and father lost this challenge, and they left the smoking and liquor, and they also want to play this his student his son to age a national level, and he better perform in the play cards. Okay, thank you, friend.
Okay, so greeting gentlemen. From the picture, what I perceive, there are four characters. Their age is in between 10 to 35, and all are in a positive mood. So my story goes like this. So Sumit is a businessman. So on his son's birthday, he organized a party where he called all his friends and his son's friend. So while they were enjoying, they all men were playing a card, and then suddenly his son came and also watching the game. In between that, he saw that his friend started smoking in front of his son. So he immediately stopped his friend and told him that do not smoke in the public, and asked his son to leave the room. Then after a conversation, he get to know that his friend got addicted. So he told his friend to to indulge into to change his daily routine and make a proper routine by just adding a fitness and all these exercises into his lifestyle. So slowly and gradually your mind shifted from these smoking activities to a fitness lifestyle, and within a month his friend started smoking in a less quantity, and he started into a fitness, and his mental and physical growth started. So thank you.
Good evening, gentlemen. I perceive four characters from the picture shown to us. All four of them are male. Three are between the age group of 30 to 32, and one is in the age group of 10 years. All are in positive mood. Amar came to his hometown after a long time to visit his family and friends. He invited his friends over for a couple of games of cards. One of his friends, Ajay, he wanted to smoke a cigarette, so Amar did not have a problem at first, but then when his child entered the room and was playing around them beside me, he asked Amar to put down the cigarette. Because his child was still young and it could be a bad influence on him, and also he explained that it could also is bad for his health also, as it damages his lungs, and it gave him message that he can switch to nicotine patch and and trying chewing some other gum. And also divert his mind towards more fitness so that he can commit over and quit this bad habit of smoking. Thank you.
Good evening, gentlemen. In my story, I pursued 4 male characters. 3 are young and 1 is a child. My main character is Rakesh, who is 59-year-old. My theme of the story is spending lockdown with friends. Rajesh, who is a young man, invited his friends on his home to spending time in lockdown. They decided to play a indoor game. So they finally decided to play chess, not chess, playing cards. When they started the game, suddenly his one friend smoking a cigarette. Initially, Rajesh don't feel uncomfortable with it, but after some time, Rajesh friend came in the room. Now Rajesh realized his mistake and 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 mark to the and ask her friend to remove to quit it or to put down the cigarette. His friend also understand it, that why he's saying it, and he as in the front of his son, Rajesh told his friend the bad effects of his of the cigarette, and after that they continue their play. Thank you.
Gentlemen, as I perceive the image, there are 4 characters. All of them are male, and all of them are male, and one of them is little boy. And the age is approx about 27-year-old of 3 males, and one is little boy who's approx 10-year-old. And the lead character name is Ashish. And the action of my story, that a struggling boy. Once a group of 3 friends went to the bar for playing cards and for making fun in their life. They place their order, and after some time when their order comes, they see a little boy with their order, and 2 of them ignore him, but Ashish called him and asked why he is not in school in such a minor age. And he replied that his family is not so rich and very poor, belongs to a very poor family, and his family is unable to pay his school fees. So that's why he is forced to do labor work in the bar. Then Ashish realizes his mistake and said, we have money, but we are wasting in such a ridiculous activities. Then he asked to his friends that whatever amount we win today in playing cards, that we will give to that boy so that he can pay his school fees and continue his study. Thank you.
Good evening, friends. In the picture shown to us, I perceived 4 characters. All of them are male. All of them are males. The age of the young boy is around 25 to 27 years, and age of one boy is around 10 years. And so Anuj is a 25-year-old boy. So one day they decided to have a weekend.
चेस नंबर 12 आपका माइक म्यूट पे चला गया.
Hello.
Sir, chess number 12 is not audible.
Chess number 12, what happened?
I think he accidentally put his mic to mute.
Hello. No, it was unmute. Hello, am I audible?
Yeah,
Okay,
you're
narrate
audible.
your story again.
You are
Narrate your
audible.
story again. Narrate your story again from starting.
Good evening, friends. In the picture shown to us, I perceived 4 characters, and the age of 3 boys is around 25 to 27 years, and age of one younger boy is around 10 years. And so Anuj is a 25-year-old boy. So one day they decided to have a weekend party at a friend's house. So while they were having a party, his friend's son came in between, and by the time one of his friend, he took out cigarette and started smoking in between. So Anuj advised, first of all, he told his friend's son to go away, and he also advised his friend never to include his son while they were playing cards, as that would as that would distract him at such a tender age. So, and he even advised his friend to stop smoking cigarette and to involve in activities like exercising, and to also to include nicotine. So his friend understood, and next time he told that whenever they would be having this, he also told that whenever they would be having a get together, he won't involve his son, and they would be having this get together in club or in some other place. Thank you.
So
So
gentlemen,
gentlemen, as majority of our stories have been around
all are
quitting
in
the
a positive
smoking.
mood.
So let's
and
keep
the
that
age
as
of our boy,
our
whose
central
age is
theme.
around 10 years, and the remaining 3 are at an age of around
I
24 to
want to
25.
say
So
the
we all
whole
are agree with
story.
that.
Yeah.
No, actually,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's keep it
I
at,
agree with
as
chess number
quitting the
7.
smoking, yes.
I think I
No,
agree
actually,
with chess number 9.
I think
we
all
should
are playing.
I think we should go with
Our
the
They
majority
are
quitting
not
Include more
coming. Children are
actions in
not
stories.
coming here.
smoking,
They are
smoking
also
theme.
playing cards
having a
before
party
the
and there is
children
a
That he
boy
children
at the
Whole
getting
story
get
is saying
here.
that
smoking.
they are
Okay,
spending their time
Children
we can
and
make
they
a
are
not come
playing
after.
cards.
Children yet here, and they are all are play because
so according
if
to
children
most of us
All are
most
playing.
of us told that
if
We
the
all
one
are
was invited
children
I
by
think
one character,
I think
and
we can
he
go
started
with the
are
quit
not
smoking
join
story.
after the
I think most of us
playing
agree on
cards.
that.
organize a birthday party for his son.
Yeah,
I
let's
agree
keep
with
No,
let's
no.
find some common ground and say that
A
the story
student
revolves around
he was
quitting
he
smoking.
was challenging
we
the
have-
Boy
father
is
and
having
mother
a
to
very
left
Friends,
their
since we
cards.
have
Children
decided
left
very
I
their
think
cards,
majority
smoking
of
and
us
liquor.
agree with chess number
Friends,
9.
since we have decided the theme, it's about
Yeah.
smoking, and like
Yeah.
they are having a fun there. We have decided the theme. So let us just add more and more actions.
We have
Like
we have only
decided
Let's
that
add
found
action so
What are the
it
strengths?
He
him
was
self-motivating him to quit
he was
smoking.
student.
Let's keep that our motto.
they are quitting
he
Minor
self-motivated
student are
himself.
not
He did
after
exercises,
the
and
joining
Yeah,
the
exactly.
playing cards.
Adding to our chess number 7 said,
Before the join
yeah,
the
and
party.
keeping
they
a healthy
also
diet,
decided
keeping
Minor
himself
before
active
join the
throughout
party.
the day, distracting himself from these activities. Let's add all these
and they also
detailed
decide
points
they
over
also
in his
decided
roadmap
that
towards
Due to
quitting.
unhealthy life,
they also decided that
unhealthy
they
lifestyle
won't be
and
playing
Yeah,
playing cards at
definitely.
home.
so he
Yeah,
gave
yeah,
the
sure,
alternative
sure.
how he can
So-
quit the
Okay,
smoking.
so
They
So
decide
instead of
he-
smoking, he told him to include a
at
healthy
theme of the that
lifestyle
they
and
want
give
their
a
friends to
so
quit
he
the smoking,
started
and we can add
working
the
out.
nicotine point
A
also.
He
minor
started
That
for his
nicotine,
health.
Ramesh, a minor who
is very
So smoking
who
has
play
very
cards
his
with
workout
starting not
videos
join
and
the after
algorithms
the
so that
match.
he
effect.
Okay,
I think
gentlemen.
we can
Hello,
conclude the
gentlemen.
I think we
Please
can
stop it,
conclude the
gentlemen.
story
Friends,
with the solution.
we can
Hello, everyone.
friends we can
everyone,
also say that
Gentlemen, sir
please-
wants to say something.
they
Guys,
Gentlemen, sir is saying something.
Please conclude the
Gentlemen,
story
please.
that
Kapil,
Guys,
they all are in a common platform, that they
Kapil,
are playing the
Please understand there are
Kapil,
all members
Kapil,
are
and chess number 10,
positive
chess
mood,
number
but
5, please stop it.
not you.
Chess number
Yeah,
5,
If you
say, please
let
say.
the children are
chess number 5,
coming
chess
in
number
the
10, stop it.
room
Yes.
and
Hello, please guys. Okay. So, क्या मेरी आवाज फर्क नहीं पता चल रहा था क्या? You guys are keep on speaking.
No, sir, it was hard to.
Okay, चलो ये तो अच्छी बात है करता हूँ. So guys,
पता
listen.
चलता तो सर
No, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. The thing is that now you have 1 minute, right? Discuss it and come to the conclusion. Okay, do it.
So gentlemen,
I think guys we are
I think, gentlemen,
we have majority of
I
our
think we can
votes
conclude this story.
मैं बता रहा
friends
हूँ
we have discussed
Majority
basically we
of
discussed
minor
just let us
bets
add
are
more and more
Conclude the
actions.
story. Let us
let us think about that.
Conclude this story.
And
But
only one the
started
story
going
Guys,
for minor
Gentlemen, let's not waste
like
further more
in
time.
card.
I think we are good to conclude.
guys,
Friends,
Let
like
us
we can just add
conclude this
we
story.
can just
based
add
on
this
minor-
thing that they
minor
have decided that they won't play
boys
play
and,
card at someone else's house. They would go
Yeah,
to a
I
club or
agree
they would
this.
play
I
somewhere
agree
else.
this.
We can add this thing.
We can definitely add that.
We all agree
that
this,
he
but
Okay.
Not only
switch
that,
to a healthy
he
lifestyle.
We can-
also
Gentlemen,
also add the
as
role
our
of
theme was on
minor.
quit
Exercises and all we
Aware
can
that
involve. Yeah, they opt
he
for
will
exercises.
and started
smoking again.
We can-
Not let
Gentlemen
I
add
think
the role of minor in the story
by
and also the game.
seeing his
Friends,
son,
role
by
of
seeing
game
conclude
in
this
the
story
story.
with solution
have
of
to
quit
include
smoking.
this.
also aware his son that smoking
And
is
friends,
not a
we
good
can also
I
say
did-
that instead of
Son,
playing
if-
indoor
By
games like
using-
cards,
by
we
using-
can play
there are
indoor games.
additional
I believe we can
things,
also
but
add
there
test
are
number
main
12's
character is
point of that
they present
they
the
maybe played in
playing
some other
card.
room, or they told their kid to go to
guys,
some other room,
To play,
so that it
or
won't affect him.
they would be
Not,
playing in club,
not why they
club
are
or
playing
some other
in
social place.
open room and they are because
But
they
yeah,
are
but
present
keeping
in
the
story in the
main theme
playing
of
main
making
card.
his friends
Also
I think
wrong.
majority of
quitting
I
smoking.
think majority
all
of
at
are
same
telling
point
around.
of view. Why
I
we
think
are
majority
saying
of us
And
telling
friends,
Minor,
we can
minor are
also
more
say,
come after the
quit
match.
smoking.
also
Minor,
said
Gentlemen,
that
let's
Restricting
conclude.
child
starting
from
minor,
seeing
we can
minor,
also say that they
minor was
decided
start the
they
match.
all at
decided
same
that
point of
instead
view.
of playing indoor
Please.
games, they would go for outdoor
Yeah,
games. We
yeah,
can
I
also say
already
that.
told you. I
Definitely.
Instead
More
of playing
of
cards.
a ground on track
All,
game. Yeah.
most of
Please.
all the
Okay,
Yeah,
gentlemen, now
yeah.
time
Chess
up.
number
Time
21.
time is up. Gentlemen, now
People are
time is up. Everyone, everyone, please hold on. Time is up. So please now do let me know who is going to narrate your story. Who is your leader?
Gentlemen, I want to nominate myself, chess number 7.
Okay, we
What
can
about
go
others?
with chess number
I will
7.
go with number
Yeah.
7.
Yeah. I would nominate chess number 7 too.
Anyone?
also.
Any,
Number 7.
anyone?
Yes.
जिसको problem है कुछ? Anyone want to nominate
Please carry on.
himself?
No, sir.
हाँ, अनिकेत कुछ बोलना है?
No, sir, I'm fine with chess number 7.
Okay, chess number 7. Please proceed.
So, greeting gentlemen. From the picture, what I perceive, there are 4 characters. All are in a positive mood, and their age is in between 10 to 30. So my story goes like this. So Sumit is a businessman. On his son's birthday, he organized a party. He called all his friend and his son's friend. So while enjoying the party, they are playing a card, and immediately his son also watching the game. And one of his friends started smoking in front of his son. So there, he immediately stopped his friend to stop smoking. Then after he told his son that it is not a right practice, it is not a smoking is not a good thing to do, and he told his son to go away from the room. Then after he asked his friend, then after a conversation he got to know that due to the unhealthy lifestyle and because of the stress, he's got addicted to the smoking. So he told his friend that in public smoking is not a good practice. Indirectly it is harming all of us, and please stop smoking. Slowly and gradually you can reduce the smoking by changing your lifestyle, and you can include the fitness in your lifestyle. So after listening to that, within a 2-3 months, his friend, the lifestyle of his friend changes. He reduces the consumption of smoking, and slowly he got mentally and physically what we call better day by day. So that's my story.
Okay, guys, सब agree हैं story से? All are agree? ऐसा
Yes,
कोई
sir.
जो agree
Agree.
नहीं है?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great,
Yes,
guys.
sir.
So the session is going to end within the next 1 minute. Okay. So I'll share one link with you guys. You can join there and we can discuss the story for 5 or 10 to 15 minutes more. That's all right.
Yes.
And I request to Aniket and the chess number 7, send me your answer sheet, the story which you wrote right now, immediately within the next 2 to 3 minutes, right? And Suraj, you too. Okay, rest of people.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you. You can join once I send the link in the group. Okay. Take care.
Okay, sir.